Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on day 5 of Navratri makeup look series and the color is green. So I've created a green smoky eyeliner kind of look. So if you want to know how did I created this look, so please keep on watching this video till end and you will get to know how to achieve the same look. But first let me greet you in Indian style. I'm going to start with base and for that I'm going to use this aloe vera gel. And I'm using this aloe vera gel as a moisturizer to my face. For primer, I'm going to use this balm primer from Show Cosmetics. This is such a good primer. It really fills up my pores and this is how I'm going to apply it on my T-zone area and those part of my face where my skin usually gets oily. The foundation I'm going to use is this Drop the Base Serum Foundation from Show Cosmetics, and the quantity of foundation I'm going to apply is really less, as you're going to see in this video. I use the dropper which comes with foundation for application. After applying foundation, I'm using a flat brush and spreading all over my face like this. Also on my neck area I'm going to do the same process. After this I'm going to take a beauty blender or beauty sponge and I'm going to dab it all over my face, which will help with more seamless blending, plus I will get rid of excess foundation on my skin. For concealer, I'm going to use this one of my favorite Swiss Beauty concealer. I'm going to conceal my under eye area over my eyelids, area near my mouth and near my nose. After blending concealer really well, I'm going to use this banana powder from Mars and I'm applying this powder with help of the puff which it comes with. Also the quantity of the powder I'm going to apply is really less and I'm using this powder to set my base makeup. Now I'm going to use this golden eyeshadow from blowout palette from Beauty People and I'm going to use my finger to apply this eyeshadow all over my eyelids. Now from Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to use this green color, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start applying this eyeshadow really close to my lash line and kind of creating a line over there. After doing this, I'm going to make this line more thicker and also adding a wing at the end. So guys, you can see how pigmented this green color is looking on my eyelids. So for that I have used one hack, and for that you have to watch my other video and I will give its link in description box below, so do check that out as well. Even I have applied that same green color on my lower lash line. I left a space in lower lash line, as you can see over there. I am applying the golden color which I have used previously on my eyelids. Now I'm going to take golden glitters and I'm going to apply it on that shimmer area on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use this green kajal and I'm going to apply it on my lower waterline. And finally completing the eye look with my one of the favorite mascara from Show Cosmetics, Lashes of Titans. To complete my face makeup, I'm going to add some blush and highlighter on my face. For blush, I'm using Show Cosmetic blush in shade Salmon Superstar. For highlighter, I'm using cream base highlighter from Inside Cosmetics and the shade is 01 Mermaid Scale. So there is a full review video of this highlighter. If you want to check that out, you can definitely do after this video. I'll give the link in description box below. For lips, I'm going to use this lipstick palette from Mars and I'm going to start outlining my lips with a light brown shade from this palette, and after that I'm going to mix a light brown shade, also a pink shade with it, and I'm going to fill my lips with it. And as you guys can see, this lip combo is a perfect combination for my skin tone. So here's the final look. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video. and the green eye look for day 5 for this Navratri season and this makeup series. If you're enjoying this series, do let me know through comment section below, and to continue watching this series, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you will get notified every time when I post a new video. So guys, I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thanks for watching.